Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this pre-registered 308 in the Tech Edition specification. So this car's got some great features including park assist, blind spot detection, there's lane keeping assistance, you get this lovely panoramic glass roof, 17-inch alloy wheels, tinted rear windows, there's front and rear parking sensors with a 180-degree colour reversing camera. Now inside the car, the touchscreen has sat-nav, DAB digital radio, there's Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth connectivity. On top of this you get dual zone air conditioning, automatic headlights and wipers, and there's cruise control with the speed limiter. So let's have a look around. To tailor your experience to suit your current requirements, so that's making an appointment to view a vehicle, using our click and collect service, or taking advantage of Howard's home delivery service. We hope to hear from you soon. Thank you.